Hey everybody, welcome to Larry's RC room. Actually, we're in Larry's RC room's living room. So this is the front room of my home. That's my chandelier above me that I made a long time ago, and it still works and works good. Anyways, this ain't about this living room, or it's not about me. It's about this Redcat Racing Lowrider 59 in blue. I got some lights put in it. Yes, we did. We lit her up, and we're gonna show it to you. Stay with us and watch this thing. Man, I like it. I used an Exceed RC light kit from a drift car, so it works pretty good. You can find those things at nitrorcx.com. Pretty reasonable price too. Comes with quite a few LEDs, and you can modify as you need. Awesome. Watch this. Okay, this is with the car powered up and the controller not on. I hope my purple lights are coming in for you. I put purple lights on the outside, white lights on the inside, and of course I got the signals in. Yes sir. And of course the back end of it. Pretty sweet. I'm hoping you can see those signals down here in the bottom where the reverse lights go. Pretty cool. Anyways, yep, I had no choice. There's my interior. It's looking pretty sharp. Got me a driver mounted. Got me a little lady there with him. And pretty neat. I had to cut those guys down quite a bit though. Yep. Got me a guitar inside there. Yes, I do. So yeah, I had to cut them down quite a bit to get them to go inside that car. But I think they look pretty neat in there. They're ready to go. Let's flip this controller on, and I'll show you what happens from there. Yes. Yeah, buddy. Heck yeah. And there it is. Now, we've got it all going on. And got it jacked up. All jacked up. Get her jacked up in the air like that. Now you might be able to see that driver and stuff a little better. But there's my signal for that side. There's my signal for that side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Turn him around here. Show you the brake light there. Signal's in the back. Signal on that side and the back. Like I said, it doesn't have any backup lights. That's okay with me. Don't really need them. Oh. That's so cool. Let's see, it is. Look at that. Signal on it, signal. Oh yeah. That's sweet. Looks good. Okay. And we're gonna check out of here. Go play a little bit more around the house with it. Check it all out. Make sure it's all done up. I'll show you the inside of the body on another video. Right now, I'm just kind of playing with it. Maybe we can see some purple there. Yeah, a little bit of purple there. You can definitely tell the difference. That's cool. I like it. In person, it's just sweet looking. Those purple outsides and the white insides, it just looks really sharp. So anyways, y'all have a good one. Peace out. Have fun laughing, playing, and RCing. We're here at Larry's RC room because it's rainy outside. Yes, it is. Ain't got no place to go on a rainy day but to the hobby room and play. Yeah. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this is fun. Yes. We'll jack her up. Here we go. Oh yeah.